Yo guys, so ngayon gagawin ko ang routine ni Aaron. Una,
Skincare? Wash your hands.
wash your hands with soap.
Safeguard. Baka naman.
Yan. So safeguard, sana pabasain.
Wash your hands. Wait lang guys, pakita ko si Roy nag-skincare. Wow!
What is the
Baba
next-
mo, lagyan.
Bro, what is the next step?
Wash your face.
Wash your face to this water.
Yeah, rinse. Oops, okay na yan. Tapos, kuha ka ng... To. Sa loob.
Okay. Ano pangalan nito?
Dr. Leo, pre.
Tuleo, baka naman. Tama na to?
Lagay mo sa
Ginagay
dito
mo na. Ang dami pa eh.
Oh, yun, okay na. Dami pala niyan. Is rub. Rub your
Rub mo ba?
hands.
Like this.
Yeah, like that.
And next, what should I do?
Continue rubbing.
Continue rubbing.
Labs na ako guys.
Right.
Wash his face.
After,
Continue.
I just
Let me
continue.
see. Apply it in your face.
How? Just,
Full face. Alak ka, hindi ganyan.
how?
This, with that.
Magkano
And then
ito?
like this in the cheeks. Slowly, not faster.
Slowly.
Then in the forehead. Slowly, not
This.
faster. Yeah.
Oh.
In the...
Kumikinis na.
Sa gilid ng ilong, to. Yan. Tapos yung sa baba.
Mahiging ka
Sa
po,
may
Wila.
loob.
Mahiging ka
To,
po,
sagat mo
kita.
to. Malap, pati yung jawline.
Kamukha kita, Rod. Aaron. Aaron? Aaron? Dalawang Aaron?
Wala ka.
Naguguluhan na ako.
Pawis ang
Next.
mukha nyo kanina, kailangan nyo maghilamos.
Next.
Close lang.
Okay.
That's, 1 minute nga yun eh. Kaya Roy, tagol.
Ang tagal niyo dyan eh.
Okay, continuous lang sa buong mukha. Pati yung sa gilid ng ilong ulit.
Roy, nagiging Aaron na ba ako?
Oh, fresh
Di na
Roy,
kita
wow!
makilala.
Aaron 2.2.
Okay na yun, okay na yan.
Next, what should I do?
Linisin mo na mukha mo.
Okay, I will
Okay.
clean my face. Hirap matanggal.
Ganun nga, kaya nga makapit sa mukha. Tingin sa salamin, kasi meron pa.
Takin na, Aaron! Wait! Yung mukha ko, pre, balik nyo! Naging Aaron na ako.
Gusto mo maging Lawrence?
Ayoko.
Wala, arte!
Hindi.
Hakotaya yun.
Dapat kasi nag-iisa lang yun si...
Wala nga katulad dapat.
Walang kaparehas.
Pasensyahan pag nalaglag cellphone mo sa bowl.
Roy,
Baba oh, baba!
kuminis na ako, Roy.
Titignan ko kung sinasabi sa'yo.
Patayo lang mukha. Next yung, putik sa mukha naman.
Next, and the toothbrush.
No! Akin yan!
okay.
Akin yan!
I thought...
Hindi yan.
What's the next one?
Finish na.
Putek sa mukha
I
guys.
will...
Putik sa mukha later.
So, we will go out of the bathroom.
Let's go.
And I will close the light and I will close the door. Like Aaron.
Okay, pause na muna guys.
Okay.
Huwag mo magpasok ko.
What are you doing, guys? What happened there?
Our door is broken.
And sino may kagawan pala?
Someone is drunk.
Oh, who is that drunk?
Door.
Who is that drunk guy?
Not me.
I thought it was you, brother. Because your neighbor are telling me that is you when you are drunk.
No, na.
And now you're lying, brother.
It's my boy.
So guys, patulog na kami oh.
Yung cellphone ko ito kung nilagay.
Sabi ko unboxing ka, di ba?
Ano?
Picture mo sa mga nilagay.
Nakabubo.
Oh, it will finding cellphone of Aaron. And now it's missing. No, Aaron will find it. Now guys, let's see if we will find it. The phone of Aaron. Oh guys, he's worrying, he's panicking.
Nasa ko nalagay, yeah. I forgot where I put it, bro.
Bro, you should remember it. Because you're the one who using it. Mahanap kaya ni Aaron ang cellphone niya? O hindi na? Mababalik? Wala sa akin bro. Kaya alam mo. Bro,
Ayun yun.
you're bad of...
To. Next.
Next.
What is the next step, brother?
Show it, Dr. Leo.
Dr. Leo, okay.
Baka naman.
Oo
Yung-
naman.
Naman, supplyan nyo kami.
Mukha mo yun.
Ay. What is that? What are you doing?
Parang mabilis may mukha nga.
Okay.
Katagal. Takot ng tissue, bulok, SM bonus.
So guys, don't use it anymore. It's from SM bonus. Roy, next.
Okay, wait.
Just do what Aaron doing. Just copy it.
Okay.
Yes.
Dry your face, bro.
Get me some, Roy. Yes, I will do this. Just like this.
Yeah.
Ah. It's refreshing.
Not that, only tap like that.
Okay. Look at that. Hindi mo kasi in-explain kung ano gagawin.
Ay, nakita mo naman ginawa ko tap lang.
Tap.
Yeah.
Hindi isang ganun. Ito, pwede na to. Tayo na to. Mas.
Roy, let me look your face. Oh. To Aaron? Aaron Reyes. Oh, Justin?
But not finished.
Okay guys, we're finished na ba?
No.
So this, we'll throw in this
This is the second
garbage. Go, what is the next part? Oh, guys, sir, there's the next. What is the name? Ay, Dr. Leo.
Dr. Leo. Baka
Dr.
naman.
Leo.
Show.
Show guys. Ew.
Putik sa mukha, sir.
Oh, there's this Ahmad. Aaron said there's Ahmad in his face. So we will put some the face. So just remember what they're doing. So you guys, you know how to do it if you buy it. That is the face of Aaron before the surgical procedure.
Surgical. Hindi talaga.
Yeah. Man, tell me, is this a girl? It's just like a woman. Is this your everyday habits, Aaron?
Oh, she used this twice a week.
Twice a week or right? Okay, Roy, remember this day because
Yeah,
we will
yeah.
sleep over here.
Another.
Remember this day. It's Thursday, I think so.
Next Thursday.
Next Thursday, we'll going here again.
No, that's enough.
No, it will never be enough.
Kailan nga ba naging enough?
Oh, Roy, boxer you, Roy. Roy, banat.
Kailan ba naging enough, Roy?
Ano ginagawa? What are you doing, brother? Our brother said it will never be enough. And what is your response? What is your response?
Sherwin.
Make it fast, brother. Because we are next to you. And we're sleepy.
Pwede nyo naman tong kamayin kung gusto nyo.
No.
We're using our hands, but you're using some piece of shit.
Ay,
Ang ganda mong lalaki. Ang ganda, sabi mo nga Ron, ang ganda kong lalaki.
pas.
Sabay basag to sa
Fernando Descartes.
Rene Requesta talaga.
Oh, who's Descartes?
Descartes is the one who sculpting.
MMW.
Ay, Rene Descartes is a mathematician, I think.
Sa Father of Physics.
Father of
Don't review.
Anong tagal mo yung ko na?
You have only one ano lang.
Di na ako maglalagay ka pa niyan, Roy.
Testing nga ni Roy.
Testing na.
Yeah.
He is the next one. And he will do what Aaron did. So guys. Oh, there. So guys, remember it. Because we're the next. We'll do that.
You will be the next.
Brother, make it faster.
Yeah, okay.
Because I'm the next one.
Hands. But clean your hands. Wow, skincare? Nagbabagong buhay na ba si Marcin?
Gusto mo magpapogi, pre?
Ba't ang labo nun sa'yo? Yan, ganyanin mo.
Double coating kasi yan. Finished product. Uy, alarm ka, 15 minutes. Wow. Kaya siya nagaganyan guys kasi mag-girlfriend na siya.
Yan. Gusto ko na guys mag-girlfriend.
Ano ba yung mga ideal type mo sa babae naman?
Number one, pre, matalino. Tsaka, talino, tapos matangkad,
Sexy.
sexy,
Ayan.
kaya
Malaki ang ugali. Mabait.
morena.
Ayaw mo na mistisa.
Pwede naman kahit ano.
Example ni...
Example, Leonis. Morena.
Mm.
Morena yan eh.
Kala ko sila eh.
Ay, hindi.
Ay, nakaraan na pala yun.
Ang mga nakaraan ay di dapat inaalungkat. At ito'y pinapakawala na.
Grabe, parang nagpipintura lang ng mukha. Double coating na next. Picture ka Roy, picture ka muna. Selfie
Or
ka.
am I doing right, brother?
Yeah,
Or I'm wrong?
magandyoling yan boy.
And the mustache. This is the final product.
Oh, timer.
So guys, doon natin tapos sa vlog namin. Abangan nyo bukas, 3 aero na makikita nyo.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye guys. Good night.
Good night.
Tandaan nyo yung mga bili namin na kung paano gagawin yung procedure. Dr. Leo.
Lapit.
Pre.
Rar.
Bye-bye.